Modern warfare has changed forever. These are the drones rewriting the battlefield, reconnaissance drones. These came first, long before armed drones became famous. Their only job is to watch. They fly over an area, record video, pick up signals, and send everything back to operators. Some are small and quiet. Others are almost the size of a plane and can stay in the air for more than a day. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is one of the best-known examples. No weapons, just eyes in the sky. Most modern drone programs started here because watching is cheaper and safer than sending a pilot. Combat drones, often called UCAVs, short for Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicles. These are what most people picture when they hear the word drone. The MQ-1 Predator started it. The MQ-9 Reaper took it further. They carry missiles and bombs, fly for hours, and are controlled from thousands of miles away. A pilot can sit in one country while the drone operates in another. Turkey's Bayraktar TB2 changed the game by being cheaper and proven in real combat. After that, demand exploded worldwide. Loitering munitions, sometimes called kamikaze or suicide drones, a hybrid between a missile and an aircraft. They launch, circle an area, wait for a target, then dive and explode on impact. Systems like the Switchblade, Shahed, and Lancet fall into this category. Cheap, precise, and difficult to stop. They've reshaped modern battlefields, especially in Ukraine. Stealth drones, built to avoid detection. Their shapes are smooth and unusual, designed to reduce radar visibility. The RQ-170 Sentinel is one of the most famous, used in high-risk surveillance missions. The X-47B proved unmanned aircraft could even land on aircraft carriers. These drones are rare, expensive, and often highly classified. FPV drones, first-person view drones, originally built for racing, now turned into weapons. The operator wears goggles and sees exactly what the drone sees. A small explosive is attached, turning it into a guided weapon. They cost very little, sometimes just a few $100s. Yet they've destroyed vehicles worth millions. This is where modern warfare shifts: low cost, high impact, at scale. Swarm drones. Not one drone, but many. Dozens, or even hundreds working together. They share data, split tasks, and attack from multiple directions at once. Air defenses struggle to handle that many targets simultaneously. Swarm technology is still developing, but major powers like the US, China, and Israel are actively testing it. Micro drones, extremely small, often fitting in the palm of a hand. The Black Hornet is a well-known example. Soldiers can launch them instantly to look around corners, over rooftops, or inside buildings. Limited range and capability, but extremely valuable for small unit awareness. Target drones, designed to be destroyed. They are used for training pilots and testing weapon systems. Some are simple remote-controlled aircraft. Others can mimic enemy jets or missiles. When you see missile tests, the target is often one of these. Decoy drones, built to deceive. They enter enemy airspace pretending to be real threats. Radar systems lock onto them, and defenders waste expensive missiles. Meanwhile, the actual attack comes from another direction. Systems like MALD are designed for exactly this purpose. Naval drones operate on or underwater. Some are small explosive boats guided remotely. Others are underwater systems used for reconnaissance or mine detection. Recent conflicts have shown how effective they can be, even against large warships. High-altitude, long-endurance drones, known as hail drones. They fly extremely high, often above 60,000 feet, and stay in the air for more than a day. They can monitor huge areas from a single flight. Expensive and rare, but incredibly powerful for large-scale surveillance. Electronic warfare drones. Their weapon is not explosives, but signals. They jam communications, disrupt radar, and confuse enemy systems. Some create false targets. Others shut down defenses entirely. They usually operate alongside strike drones, clearing the way. Cargo drones, built to move supplies instead of attack. They carry ammunition, food, or medical equipment into dangerous areas without risking a pilot. Still developing, but becoming more important as logistics becomes automated. In long conflicts, moving resources matters just as much as fighting. If you found this useful, the next video breaks down even more advanced systems. Subscribe so you don't miss it.